In this video, we will be discussing about the fourth phase of service operation. So, what are the activities involved in service operation? The activities are keeping services into operation. That means ongoing day-to-day activities, ensure that services are delivered at agreed SLAs, continual improvement in meeting the SLAs and management of operations. So, the main activity is of keeping services into operation and also continual improvement in meeting the SLAs and management of operations. So, involves management of services, service management processes, people and technology. So, it also involves in management of all these 4 points. So, coming to the balance between conflicting motives, that means you can see here IT services versus technology. So, the external business view versus the internal IT view, how the outside business view people look after our services and how our internal IT team maintains it. Stability of a service as well as response to that service. Quality of the service versus the cost of the service which is involved there, and also reactive services and proactive services which needs to be looking into. What are the main functions and processes in service operation? You can see we have 4 functions and 5 processes. The first function is of the service desk, which is the first point of contact. Next comes the event management, followed by incident management, followed by request fulfillment management, access management, problem management which plays a major role here, technical management which is a function again, IT operations management is also a function, and application management is a function. So, we will be discussing about these functions and processes in detail in the next videos.